How to create dollar accounts in Ghana. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you have to know when it comes to creating a dollar account here in Ghana. What you have to know is that the secure and then best way to have a dollar account is to walk to your local bank and then ask them to create a domiciliary account for you, whereby you'll be giving your account number and then somebody can send you money right into your account, just like having a local bank account number. And this video, I'm having the link down in the description. It shows you how to open a dollar account with your local bank, and this is the safer way, because if you encounter any challenge, you can simply walk to the bank and then ask them to resolve it for you. But if you don't want to go directly to the bank, your local bank like GCB or any of them, to open a dollar account for you, we have alternatives. But note, it is not a dollar account. Okay, some of the alternatives allows you to send and then receive money. Okay, and some of these alternatives are Eversend. It is an app that allows you to send and then receive money worldwide. Okay, and it also gives you the opportunity to save money in dollars. But note, they do not give you a dollar account. It is not a dollar account. Another app is also called Accrue. Okay, so the main purpose of this app is to help you to send money. Note, you are to send and then receive money worldwide, but they do not provide you with a dollar account whereby you have your account number. Okay, so if you have watched a video telling you that with the Accrue you can create a dollar account, it is not true. It gives you the opportunity to send and then receive money worldwide. Okay, it does not give you an exact dollar account number, just like the one that I told you you can open with your bank. Okay, so to open a dollar account, the best way is to go to your bank and then ask them to help you to create a dollar account, whereby you can get it from this video. Okay, so as you can see, after opening it, they will give you your account number. Okay, and then it is the best and then secure way to create a dollar account. Okay, so the alternative to walking to the bank, which I prefer, it will help you, but you have to also do your own research very well, is to go with the Pillow app. Okay, so it is just like the other apps which allows you to send and then receive money. You also have the Chipper Cash also, which allows you to send and then receive money, and you can also save it in dollars. What is good is that with the Pillow app, you have 14% interest on your savings. Okay, so you can convert your CDs into dollars, and then you also have 14% interest on it. Okay, so let's say you have $10 in your Pillow app account, you also have 14% interest on it whenever you want to withdraw it. Okay, so to open a dollar account, what you have to do is to just walk to your bank, ask them to create a dollar account for you, whereby you can also do it online by just looking down below. There is a link of the video, just watch it, and then you can create it online without necessarily going to the bank. Or you can also install this Pillow app. Okay, note, it is not a dollar account. You will not get any account number showing that this is your dollar account number, whereby you can use to send and then receive money, just like the Eversend app and then the Accrue app and then the Chipper Cash app as well. Okay, but it gives you the opportunity to save your money, your currency, your local currency in dollars, and you can withdraw it anytime that you want. Okay, I hope you have learned from this video. Just give it a thumbs up and then see you in my next video.